It's Friday morning and I don't have work today. Wow. So I'm gonna make breakfast and I'm gonna make a video of me making breakfast. Vulnerable and all, just woke up. And then I'm gonna do another one with me cooking later on because I'm gonna cook. I like cooking. I really enjoy cooking because I love fresh food. Like, it just tastes good. It makes you feel good. You look good. You know? The sun is shining. Show you. Let's go out. It's a beautiful day today. A beautiful day. I have my own water at the back there. It's like a river. See the bird? It's a robin. Hello, birdies. I'm gonna start feeding them actually. I have to get them some sunflower seeds. I love feeding the birdies. So cute. And listening to them. I can't wait to be making all my nature videos sometimes because I'm gonna start going for walks. I have to find like nice parks around here. But yeah, let's make breakfast. I just wanted to also say I'm so grateful because what it's like right now, I prayed and hoped for this. People, you may not see like it as a big deal, but it is to me. But let's just make breakfast now. We're in the kitchen. Like I said, my butt is getting bigger and I'm proud of that. Without me even doing much, you know, it's just like naturally thick. But I'm gonna make eggs with avocados. I'm gonna use butter. I'm trying to get those brand deals, you know. I like this bread. It's great value, ancient grains. It's tasty. I have one avocado left. I had two. I ate the other one yesterday. I like avocados sometimes. I don't have to eat it every day. I like different, but I love cooking. The eggs. And I always add onions, sometimes hot pepper. I'm gonna to my eggs. It just makes it so much tastier when you put the right amount of salt. I also have apples I've been snacking on. And I'm making ginger tea. You just put the frying pan back on and get some oil. The oil in question. And then the onion. I'm thirsty. This is cucumber water. So fresh, so delish. If you know, you know. The girls that know, you know. So cool. I have to throw this away. Yup. And then you add just the right amount of salt. Ooh. I don't need this. Wasting salt. Why are you wasting salt? I'm gonna add some, what's it called? Hold on. It's called oregano leaves, and this is grounded crayfish. This gives it like a nice flavor. Yesterday I made eggs, I didn't add this, but I'm gonna add it now. Then just enough, not too much, not too much, okay? And then you whip it real good, you know? The leg up. Why you being weird to me? You know? You're the one that said all those things. What's the problem now? Then we fry the onions first before putting the egg. Because if you put the egg with the onion, it don't taste as good. Duh. You have to wash it. Make sure you wash it. Wash everything. Okay? Okay. Another thing is, always make sure that you're thinking happy thoughts when you're cooking. It just makes your food taste better. You know? Whatever you like for good health, strength, to grow the booty. Just, yeah. It's not ready yet. Not ready yet. It's not good to be angry in cooking or stressed in cooking, thinking horrible things in cooking. Your food's gonna turn out horrible. And if you didn't know, now you know. Like that Chef Ramsay guy, I feel like shit. Like even now I see that he does stuff with kids, because the way he would yell at his staff, I wonder how their food tasted. Because it's like, if you're yelling at me and I'm cooking, it's like, what the fuck? You know? That's some fucked up shit. Anger management. I'm sure he's in that, getting therapy and shit. Now they're trying to like put him with kids to make a point, because people are trying to sue him for their mental health. But anyways, look at the eggs. So beautiful. So wonderful. You know? Yeah. Oops. That's ginger, by the way. I'm making ginger hot chocolate and whatnot and whatnot. And my frying pan is like old, but mind your business. Can you guys see my plate? There. This is the avocado. I'm going to cut it. So juicy. Funny enough, growing up, I didn't like avocado. Look at me now. I'm just waiting for my water to make my hot chocolate. And then I'm done. Done. You guys get a picture in the end. Is that okay? And if you don't know, now you know. And then you add honey. So this took way longer than it should, but it's because of my love for sharing, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. This is ginger hot chocolate. And that's all for today, folks.